Hi, welcome to one of many short video demonstrations of InfoSphere MDM solutions. Today we'll be looking at InfoSphere MDM Salesforce integration, which is designed to help organizations improve the effectiveness of their Salesforce CRM. This solution is aimed at solving specific challenges on Salesforce. For example, in the absence of InfoSphere MDM, Salesforce can really struggle with bad data quality, and the users do not have the flexible capabilities in the way they're able to do search. Also added to the mix is the inability for a user to view the master definition of the account, the contacts, and their relationships to be able to have the most accurate view of the account and to take the right business decision. Integrating with an external application such as Salesforce presents risks in the form of security exposure, data exposure, which needs to be handled well. And this is something that is handled with the IBM solution. In terms of capabilities, the IBM solution comes with a pre-built integration that supports real-time, near real-time, and batch mode of integration. Users on Salesforce will be able to fire real-time probabilistic search on MDM to retrieve all records that match the search criteria and in a way that it handles errors related to typing mistakes and the various other synonyms. We also have the ability to synchronize information between MDM and Salesforce so that the data store in Salesforce is kept in sync at all the time. With the help of a secure integration layer between MDM and Salesforce, we're able to bring about a secure way of data interchange between MDM and Salesforce. From a business value perspective, this solution provides several benefits to an organization, starting with the addressing of the data quality issues in Salesforce, which leads to faster decision making. We are also able to enhance the effectiveness of a CRM, in this case Salesforce, by leveraging the latest and greatest information about your accounts and customers from MDM. Leveraging the cloud integration platform enhances security, and it also allows the ability for the customer to extend this platform to support other integrations. And with that, let me take you through a short demonstration that's going to take you through the functional flow of this integration. So right now I'm logged in as a user on Salesforce, and let's assume a case where I have a customer calling in, and the name of the customer is Diana Kett Hospital. Now we've picked up this name because it sounds like a slightly complicated name, and it's quite possible that a user might type the spelling in an incorrect fashion. So a typical search on Salesforce will result in a search where Salesforce will not be able to recognize this particular name, which I have incorrectly typed here because it's one of those names that are difficult to pronounce. So in this case, a user is going to leverage the InfoSphere MDM search. So by clicking on this out of the box link that we provided as part of the asset, the Salesforce application will take him through the links where he can actually fire a search natively from Salesforce that will allow the search to be invoked from MDM. Now what this does while the search is happening is that it allows an enterprise-wide search as opposed to a local repository search, which was what was done earlier. So in this case, let's assume I do the same entry as what I entered earlier, and I click on go. So what's happening in the background here is that it is actually firing a real-time service onto MDM, and it's pulling out the records that match the criteria that I've given. Now as you can see here, the name of the account that I searched for was incorrect, but the probabilistic search within MDM was able to pull out the records that I was actually looking for. This kind of helps the users on Salesforce look up for records even if they don't have the actual complete accurate details. So let me go ahead and click on the hospital that I'm interested in. In this case, it happens to be the first one. And let me see the broader details of this account and the information that is mastered within MDM. Now, the details that you see here is actually being fed from InfoSphere MDM. So this represents the most accurate, up-to-date information about this account. So as you can see here, you can see the name of the company, the contact methods, the addresses related to business and mailing, and at the same time you also get to see a relationship master view. Now a relationship master view is nothing but a 360 view of the account and the various relationships that this account has with other related accounts. So in this case here, you see that Diane Kid Hospital has a contact whose name is William Stone, and it also has child accounts. In this case, it is Diane Kid Welfare Services. And if Diane Kid Welfare Services, like the way you see here, has additional children, it will display the children related to those accounts as well. So this kind of helps in bringing out a 360 of this information. And in the bottom, as you see, it shares, it provides details related to the other related accounts as stored within Salesforce. Now I'm just going to go ahead and click on the contact related to the Salesforce account, whose name is William Stone, because let's say I want to make a call to this contact, and this will tell me exactly what the master definition of the phone numbers are. Now, just to summarize the demonstration that you've just seen, by leveraging InfoSphere MDM, Salesforce.com can be powered to show the most accurate, latest 360 view of account information, thereby enabling users on Salesforce.com to take accurate business decisions and in a timely manner when serving their customers. To summarize, InfoSphere MDM Salesforce integration brings about several business benefits. First and foremost, by leveraging InfoSphere MDM, users on Salesforce are able to do better decision making because they now have access to the most accurate, complete, and up-to-date account information. This also leads to improved operational efficiencies where sales and marketing can take decisions quickly and in a way that it leads to better results. By leveraging the MDM probabilistic search capability, users on Salesforce can prevent creation of duplicate records at source, thereby improving the overall data quality in Salesforce. And lastly, but not least, the IBM solution provides enhanced security when integrating a business-critical application such as MDM, which is on-premise, with an external SaaS application such as Salesforce. Thank you.